Good day, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about Management 3.0 practice. Now, let's look into what is Management 3.0. Management 3.0 in a work environment is to be supportive and empowering for employees as the main goal. It highlights the significance of creating a culture of continuous development and modifying management techniques to the demands of the team. And from here, we'll look into what is Meddlers game. Meddlers game is the Management 3.0 practice we'll be discussing. It is an agile approach emphasizing the active mediation for conflict resolution and team collaboration. The game is part of Management 3.0 materials. You can use it to explore a structural design for your organization. The Meddlers game as a Management 3.0 practice is popularized as it is used to facilitate discussion around organizational structure and designs. Here we have the Meddlers component. We have the large hexagonal files used to represent teams or units. We have the hats to represent the roles, and faces represents the people. We also have the notes page to keep track of the meaning of the roles and the responsibility area of the teams. Now let's look into how the Meddlers game is played. The game involves connecting tabs to show collaboration between teams using hats and faces to represent roles and individuals, and creating designs for various organizational structure. Although there is one rule, everyone at the table has to agree on the meaning of their designs. The game encourages discussion about organization design in a fun and interactive way. Challenges include designing a web design company, audio visual production, or a coffee bar structure. While there are no points or reward, the game fosters insightful conversation about organization design using visual elements. When do we need to use this practice? In interactive learning, the Meddler game involves physical pieces and encourages participants to engage in a visual and tactile way. The Meddler game, when employed, can be used to promote collaboration within a team, fostering teamwork and communication. When we utilize the Meddlers game, it helps to enhance participants in understanding the roles and relationships within an organization. Applying the Meddler games can help to stimulate creativity and problem solving in context of organization design. Lastly, we can use the Meddlers game as a tool for facilitating conversation about organization design for meaningful discussion. In here, we have situations where we can use the Meddlers game, such as the team building workshops, organizational design training, change management sessions, strategic planning meeting, leadership development program, innovation workshop, and retrospective meetings. And now we look into how we can implement the Meddlers game. We start by following various steps. And firstly, we clearly identify the conflict or communication breakdown that needs attention. Next, we go into creating an open and non-judgmental space for teams to express their perspective. Next, we actively mediate the discussion, ensuring all voices are heard. And lastly, we encourage the team to find a common ground and collaboratively work together to find a resolution. Here we have the references I used for my work. Thank you for listening.